doesn't look like too bad of a morning. A little cloudy. It's wonderfully mild this morning. Short sleeves, shorts, perfectly comfortable out here. It's early. I'm about midway through my first coffee. According to the radar and the forecast, thunderstorms are going to be here soon. I wanted to get the transmission the rest of the way out of the Coachman this morning, but by the time I got the tools out and the jack out and got under there, yeah, the storms are supposed to be here pretty quick. So I'm going to figure out something else to do today. What do you think, Bella? Geez, I think I'm going to go in the high grass and take care of morning stuff. That's what she thinks. Oh no, there went a rabbit. Bada, here goes bad rabbits. There's a bad rabbit. This place. She says, the heck with that rabbit. I have something more important to take care of right now. It's down there. I wish this had zoom. It's way down in there. Bella, there's our bad rabbit. She says, not anymore, there's not. Good girl. Come on, son. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, is the yard all rabbit free? Did you evict the rabbits? All right, girl, we gotta figure out what we're doing today. I need to finish my coffee. Come on. Okay, there we are there. This is all coming this way from the west. So it's gonna be wet here in a little bit. I even have a helper this morning. It's his day off. He's sleeping in. He's sleeping in the van. The air conditioner's working good, so he's sleeping comfortably. Not gonna bother disturbing him this morning if we can't work anyway. Like I said, it's his day off. We'll let him sleep in a bit. Yeah, if it rains hard enough, if we get enough downpours, the trouble is the slope. Water will run underneath the Coachman, and that kind of spoils it. Not gonna be messing around if it's muddy and stuff. Hopefully it doesn't rain too long for too hard. The ground will absorb it for a little bit, and we'll just have to play it by ear. Maybe we can still work on it later, and maybe it'll be a washout. Let's go back over this way. Come on. Come on. You better check again. You never know. I see a little deer down there. There's a little deer. Shh. No. Leave it alone. It's one of them little ones. There's a mother and two fawns that hang out down in the woods right here. No. Let's let them be this morning, okay? If it wasn't for that one storm, this is our Saturday. So, I wonder for that one storm heading this way, it'd be like a perfect day. But no, we got a storm coming. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bella. Hi, girl. All right, we'll think of something to do. Maybe. What? Bless me. What? Maybe it'd be a good day for a snack? Maybe a good morning to have a little snack? What do you think? Maybe I can get you something. They're great. I can already hear it. Even though it doesn't look like there's rain clouds, I can already hear it starting to sprinkle. What's up there? What is up there? Oh, those clouds are actually letting a little bit out. Oh, it's not looking very good out that way. And it's all coming this way. But maybe I can knock out a little rainy day job. I think maybe maybe a quick. It shouldn't be too difficult. I get some things stashed in here. I've been kind of low on a priority list. Yeah, we'll call them rainy day jobs. Here's a job that I have been meaning to do for quite a while now. I bought this shortly after I got the Coachman, and I just haven't gotten around to it. It's just such a quick, easy job. It's just upgrading this old faucet. It's easy. It's quick. Well, we'll knock this out in a couple of minutes, really. Yeah, I bought this. It's been hauling around in the Coachman for probably a year. It's probably somewhere like that. These sinks are not very deep, so even washing your hands or dishes, it's just just have this real limited space here. It's just, I'd like it to be running something a little bit higher, and this one's adjustable, so it can be left down. I can I can dang near leave it about the same height of that, or I can change the curvature of that and make it much higher too. Let me see what that looks like. Hang on here. See, I'll just put that down there roughly, or I've bent it upwards up here, and because the way it bends, I can actually bend it over further too. This is limited. It does go over this other sink, barely. So anyway, I've been meaning to. And this cap keeps coming off. This little thing broke off. I'm not gonna glue it on. We're just gonna replace the whole thing. Now, who doesn't have a drawer like this? I think I have the right tool for it too. Somewhere, that's a tool that hasn't been used for a while. I think it's in here. Okay, got some vacuum gauges and stuff in here. Oil filter wrenches, a vacuum gauge, yeah, some other oil filter stuff. What do we got in here? Where is it? Little tubing bender, exhaust pipe expander. There's all kinds of little tools in here. Little torque wrench. Where is it? Oh, a ball joint separator. The stud remover. Tie rod. Separator, coil spring compressor. There it is. That's a tool you buy and you just don't use very often. That's a under the sink wrench, okay? Or basin wrench. Yep, channel locks will get the job done. But I seen that one day and I bought it. And I'm still gonna take a pair of channel locks, just in case. There's not as much room for channel locks. You can get it done, but this comes in handy. I think it'll work in this case. All right, let's go back out. Well, I should probably turn the water pump off. Okay. Which one is it? This one? Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, no pressure. This has to be one of the easiest jobs to do. There's, of course, going to take a water line off the bottom of each, which is really easy. But then they have this long threaded. The water line goes in there and spins on and tightens. But to hold this into the sink is just anybody's done this before. You know how this goes. You take the old one out, and when you put this one in, you just spin this nut. There's a nut in the washer, nut in the rubber washer, and then you put this in the hole, and you spin this up on it until it's good and snug, And here's the other one. That's what it looks like on the bottom side. But that's all you're left to kind of grip with. You can probably just do it hand tight, really good. Or maybe put the channel locks on there just for just a little extra. All these parts are plastic. So, yeah, I bought only the finest for the coachman, right? So, yeah, that will go on the underside and just spin it up tight or snug. And on both the cold water and hot water side. On that one and that one. And that tightens it down. And then you put the two water lines back on it. And spin them on snug. So, anyway, I'm going to get that other one out of there. Let's have a look down there at them water lines. Ooh. Alright. See, that line's right there. Pretty easy to get to. The other one's hiding around the corner a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like I got plenty of room to work. I really don't need that under the sink wrench. That's what I call it. Yeah, it's labeled a basin wrench. There's plenty of room to get channel locks on there and loosen those nuts up. I think. I wonder how tight they are. Look at that. And there's just a rubber. And there's just, I might not need any tools at all. There's just like a rubber O-ring in there. Look at that. That loosens right up. Without too much difficulty. I'll spin that one off. Okay. Nice. How about this other one? Oh yeah, same thing. Hey, it's gonna be like no tools required other than your hands. Well, we'll see about those other nuts though. Alright, a little bit more. Alright, a little bit more. There we go. So now will the other part come off? Oh yeah. Wow. No tools required. Oh, where'd that go? This one. Hey, same thing. Super easy job. Super easy. I don't know why I didn't do this so much sooner. I've been hauling that around for under the bench forever. So far, we'll just leave those tools over there. All right, let's go up top. All right, this thing is ready to come up on out of there. Look at the dirt that gets underneath these. So I'm gonna get my little scouring thing, my little scrubby sponge, and clean this up. That's nothing. A little bit of 409 doesn't take care of real easily. Not bad, not bad. Couple paper towels, please. Notice I have my fast orange hand cleaner here. Okay, I've been doing that dirty transmission job, which I'd like to get back to. It's just turning out to be a slow rain out there. There's a big nasty cell headed our way. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't let loose. Hopefully it's not too bad. Let's see what that looks like. Where's the new one at? Oh, there's the new one. Let's make sure these turn forward, not have it backwards. Look at that. Okay. All right, let me go see about putting these on the bottom to secure this thing and putting the water lines back on it. Well, everything went together very easily down there. Okay, and this had even pivots too. So this is nice that this can bend, yeah, low, high, heck, out, down. This is so much nicer than the other. And this just has two O-rings on it. Probably lubricate those with something. Maybe a little bit of olive oil. maybe that'll work. Organic, extra virgin olive oil with that, right? Let's put a little droppy poo on there. Okay. Just ease those O-rings into place. That should work okay, huh? You think? Oh, it worked beautifully. Where's the thing? Where's the... Oh. Okay. And this just goes on, and we'll turn the water pump back on. That was such an easy job. Why did I knock this off my list long before now? Well, we'll turn the water pump on, and hopefully I have no leaks underneath. Okay. Let's get the air out of the system. Look at that! Oh, is that nice? Okay. Here's the other one. Get the air out. Alright, it's now for the moment of, do I have leaks or not? Any dripping? Any dripping going on there? How about the other one? How about that one? I can't see very good. I'll have to review that. I'll have to stick my head under there a little bit better. I don't see anything. Wow, that was just too easy, right? That was just way too easy. I just discovered another feature this has. Check this out. Okay, there's the big spray. It has a button on here, watch. Look at that. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. Because I'm going to play with it a little bit more. Nice. See, I can put it way over. Oh, look at that. I can squirt it way over here to the far side of the sink now. Oh, how nice. Look at that. Yeah, that other one would never reach every corner of the sink. And I can put it way up too. Like a big pan. I can't believe I haven't done this already. I'll wash out my, rinse out my cruddy sponge. Look, you think maybe it's time for a new one? That one's, yeah, need to pick up some fresh, a fresh 3-pack. Alright, I think we're done. Put this back down now, out of the way. We'll just do a quick clean up here after the job's done, right? Make the sinks up nice. Okay. Presto. Huh, that's that. I'm happy. Now, if just transmission jobs were that easy, right? There's still that big cell coming. We have a little break. It's been a kind of a slow drizzle here for a while. But I just checked the radar, and there's still that one big cell headed this way. So I'm not gonna get too excited about the transmission job, at least not this morning. Maybe this afternoon we'll be able to get back to it. I'd like to get that done. Like I say, today's my Saturday. I might get this posted today. Maybe you'll see this on Sunday. But I'd like to get this out during the weekend, and you know, drop it off Monday or Tuesday, early in the week. I'm gonna get it over there before too long. I like the easy jobs. All right, I'll see you.